Wrestling with cheap, freezing cans of chemical air dusters that lose their pressure after just a few seconds, spray messy liquid residue all over your expensive electronics, and constantly need to be thrown away and replaced is an absolute nightmare that drains your wallet and harms the environment. Relying on basic household vacuums or flimsy, low-powered electric blowers usually just pushes dust deeper into tight spaces, leaving your PC components, car vents, and delicate camera gear caked in grime. The WOLFBOX MF200-2PK compressed air duster completely rescues you from that endless cycle of disposable cans, functioning as a heavy-duty, high-velocity cleaning workstation built to blast away stubborn debris from the most stubborn crevices. Don't let its highly portable, handheld design fool you. This pocket-sized powerhouse generates a hurricane-force electric airflow driven by a high-performance brushless motor that slices through caked-on dust in seconds. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights and eliminates all charging anxiety is the innovative dual-power ecosystem, coming packed with 2 swappable battery packs and a premium hard-shell storage case. While other electric dusters force you to stop cleaning completely to plug into a wall, the MF200 lets you instantly snap on a fresh backup battery to keep working indefinitely. Engineered for ultimate multi-surface versatility, it features a series of specialized high-pressure nozzles designed to easily clear narrow gaps, keyboard switches, PC towers, and intricate card detailing lines, while pulling double duty as a high-volume inflator for camping air mattresses and pool floats. It is the ultimate, eco-friendly, and stress-free maintenance tool for tech enthusiasts, automotive detailers, and homeowners who demand relentless, long-lasting cleaning power ready at a moment's notice. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are using this primarily to clean out a dusty gaming PC or for detailing your car's interior. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more practical tech maintenance, automotive gear, and smart tool breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.